Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cookie Clicker efficiently. To start, simply click the big cookie to bake your first few. Quickly buy your first cursors and grandmas, as they provide a steady stream of cookies per second. Always click any golden cookies that appear. They offer significant temporary boosts. Focus on getting 7, 27, and 77 golden cookie clicks to unlock crucial upgrades that double their spawn rate and duration. As you progress into the mid-game, your strategy shifts. Focus on acquiring the most powerful buildings you can afford, as they offer the best return on investment. Use your precious sugar lumps to unlock minigames like the Grimoire and Pantheon, which provide powerful spells and passive bonuses. Learning to chain golden cookie effects, such as a frenzy followed by a click frenzy, will dramatically boost your cookie production. Remember to balance buying new buildings with purchasing all available upgrades. Mastering golden cookie combos is key to exponential growth. The most potent combination involves a frenzy, which multiplies your production by 7, followed by a click frenzy, boosting your clicks by 777 times. Use the Grimoire's Force the Hand of Fate spell to strategically summon golden cookies and stack these effects. Don't forget to slot Pantheon gods like Godzamok, who grants a clicking power bonus when you sell buildings, and consider Crumbler the Dragon for powerful passive auras. Eventually, you'll want to ascend, resetting your progress but gaining permanent benefits. For your first ascension, aim for around 200 prestige levels, which will grant you a significant boost for future runs. Spend your heavenly chips on essential permanent upgrades such as Legacy and Heavenly Cookies. These upgrades provide lasting multipliers and unlock new mechanics. Utilize permanent upgrade slots to carry over one powerful upgrade, like Trillion Fingers, into each new game, accelerating your progress significantly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.